Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will learn how to do a ring knot flower. At first take 6 strands thread in a normal needle and begin a stitching like this. 1, 2, 3. Do like this. Don't tie it that much. Next another knot. 1, 2 and 3. This is the way we are doing rings. Ring knot. Do as much ring knots to complete the entire circle. Focus on it, and the importance of the point where needle is inserting is you need to concentrate on that. Likewise, finish the entire circle. Okay, finish the entire circle. Yes, doing like this. Complete one circle with knots, ring knots. Actually, it's a loose knot, loose French knot. Now doing the inner layers, we need 6 or 7 rings to complete this flower. This is a way we are creating ring knots, ring knot flowers. You can try this, it's very simple, and that way you can create beautiful flowers in your fabric, in your dresses. And one more knot we have to do in the center portion to fill it. Otherwise you can use any stones or something to fill the area, middle area. Finished. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe our channel if you like our videos.